Vigorun Tech, one of the top and leading cordless trimmer lawn mower manufacturers in China, focuses on the research and development of remote control and autopilot intelligent machinery. They are widely used in lawn mowing, weed cutting, and bush trimming, suitable for orchard, steep incline, front yard, garden, wasteland, weeds, and so on. The remotely controlled brush cutter adopts CE and EPA-approved gasoline engine, adjustable blade height by remote control, 200 meters long distance remote control, travel speed up to 6 kilometers per hour. We are looking for distributors and dealers all over the world.